welcome to the channel. Today's my day off again, so I'm planning to do something for myself. I've been wanting a little tool to hold the clutch hub nuts. Well, you adjust the clutch adjuster screw and hold it in place while you lock the nut. On some of the big twins now, it's not so hard to get at, but on the early shovels, it's quite a reach in there sometimes to try and get something in there. And as you all know, if you've done it, trying to do it with a 9/16 wrench or something and hold the other one makes it a little bit awkward. So I've designed up a little something here today just for fun, and gonna make myself another tool, which I really enjoy doing. They're not fancy, it's not Jim's tools, but it certainly is something that everybody can make, and you can use just a bar if you want and weld your socket to it. What I did is just because I have the plasma machine, so I have a chance to make something fancy, and I'm my own worst enemy when it comes to that. Just don't like to have something plain. So we're going to take you along with us as we design these up and get them made, and hopefully they'll be something that you'll be able to use in the future. So we started out using the drawing we had from a previous project, and I thought that it might work out just exactly like I needed. You can see here that I enlarged the knife to the size that I wanted. Then I just added a piece on it here and mated the two pieces together, and this will give me my starting point that I can take over to Eleanor and make sure everything's set properly and cut this piece out. So we're going to open up our sheet cam here and get it pretty ready to cut. First we have to bring our drawing in, and we'll import that. There's tool. And there we go. That's our tool. Now that we've saved our file in the sheet cam, we can close this out. Okay, now we've got our Command C and C, and we open that up. We have to zero our table out. And that shows us our tool. So we're going to run it. There we go. Now we got to weld our socket onto here, bend it, and then we can try it out. We're coming. So now we've got a little bend in it, and the plan is to weld our little socket right to that piece, and that way we can reach in for the clutch hub. So we're going to go over and weld it up, and then we'll take it out on the soft tail and see if it's going to work. So we're going to take our piece and just mark a line on it so that it doesn't extend out past our socket. There, that was fit on and stick out here a ways. All right, time to weld it together. So we've got our little tool made here, and just to show you what it does, when you're adjusting this screw, you're supposed to hold it in position when it comes time to lock that nut, and it's hard to get in there with anything else. Now with this little tool, you can slide it over the nut, hold it, and easily lock it in place without having any problems at all. Same with getting it off. So it's a great little tool.